Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 161. This was the 7th of February, 2023. This was Tuesday. Getting the solar installation still at my house. Very preoccupied with that and worked on books. I did 1 minute on the treadmill. It was one of the few days where I didn't hardly do anything. I just got on the treadmill and did literally like 1 minute because I just wasn't feeling up to it. Didn't get my sleep the night before, so I did 1 minute on this day, which is very rare. Give myself a break. But I have consistently been on the treadmill every single day for, I can't even remember when the last time I didn't do it. So also worked on books, also did a little remote wellness academy, and a little bit of solar business as well. So I am grateful. I am grateful for all the people at the Remote Wellness Academy and my fellow students, people that I'm learning with at the same time, going through this program, and I'm grateful for all of them, students and the people who are presenting that program, putting that together, the virtual assistants behind that program. I am grateful for all of those people and putting all that together. So if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.